with developments on the trial of former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello, as the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission has declared him wanted for offences relating to economic and financial crimes to the tune of 80.2 billion naira. This followed the refusal of the former governor to submit himself or honour the invitation of the Anti-Corruption Agency. The agency says anyone with information as to his whereabouts should report immediately to the commission or the nearest police station. Earlier, counsel to the EFCC has told the Federal High Court in Abuja that the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, is absent from court for his arraignment because he's being protected by someone with immunity. The EFCC says Mr. Yahaya Bello with the 19-count charge of money laundering has been difficult. Celestina Area reports.
Immunity is not attached to a home, but to a person. This was a submission of Kemi Pihenro, counsel to the EFCC, as he expressed disapproval how the former governor of Kogi State was allegedly whisked away from his Abuja residence. Mr. Pihenro, who is prosecuting the case for the EFCC, says if it is necessary, the commission will seek the support of the military to arrest the former governor of Kogi State. He insists Yahaya Bello should not be on the run if indeed he is innocent. It was a fundamental rights suit filed by former governor. The EFCC was represented in the suit. The EFCC has appealed the ruling, and the Court of Appeal is yet to decide on it. The defense counsel says the action of the EFCC is unconstitutional and the court lacks the jurisdiction to entertain any charge from the EFCC. Counsel to the EFCC disagreed with the submission of counsel to Mr. Bello. He held that the ruling in the substantive matter on the suit was delivered on 17th March by the Kogi State High Court. The court in its ruling held that for the former governor to be arrested or arraigned, the EFCC must first seek leave from the court to do so. It is in line with that judgment the EFCC through an ex parte application filed for the order seeking the arrest of the former governor, which was granted by the court. The court also ordered that Mr. Bello be produced in court today for his arraignment. The court adjourned to 23rd May for ruling on the substituted service of the charge of Yahaya Bello and his arraignment.
12 of AJA also allows a law enforcement agent to break down any premises where a defendant may be hiding, and so the state will invoke all its powers within the law to ensure that he's produced in court for the purpose of arraignment and it's in his own interest.
The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission is empowered under Section 6, Subsection 7 of the EFCC Act of 2004 to investigate, arrest, or invite any person for questioning. However, the commission was stopped yesterday from effecting arrest on the former governor of Kogi State, despite the order granted by Justice Emeka Wete for the arrest of Yahaya Bello. Today, the AGF, through a press statement, says the EFCC is constitutionally empowered to carry out its lawful duty, and citizens should desist from obstructing the operatives. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.
Meanwhile, the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, says the EFCC has been given the powers by law to invite anyone of interest to interact with them in the course of the investigation into any matter, regardless of status. The Attorney General, in a statement, expressed concerns on the confrontation of operatives of the EFCC in the course of its efforts to perform its statutory duty. He urged anyone who's been invited by the Commission to put away any obstruction and answer the invitation. Earlier, spokesman of the EFCC, Dele Uyewale, spoke with TVC News on the effort of the Commission to invite former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello.
Yes, the Commission has a valid order of the court and a warrant of arrest and enrollment order, to declare the former